So this is a good view of the Tudor house, one of the oldest houses in this area. Okay, so let's walk around and have a closer view of what it's like. Now, I just came across this bridge, and that leads to the main road, but this is what we're exploring today. I think you can buy tickets and go in, but I would have to come on a weekday for that. So see, they preserve the windows by putting plastic over it just to keep it safe. They're about, I love their flower garden. I love the weeping willows, and you know, it's a nice area to come and have a chat and chill for a little while. Yeah, so I'm taking you to have a look on the building. My niche is not buildings, but this is history. So there's a sign that says, "Welcome to South Church Hall," and there's a museum there. Actually, let me go check if it's open. Oh, it is open. Okay, I'm gonna go in and find out more about it. But it's a lovely Tudor building, and you can see a really nice view of the pond from here. I can actually see the fish more closely here, more clearly. Look, I don't know if you can see, but from here I can see the two large goldfish. Birds flying around, people walking about, and the turtle area. There's a nice view from here. Just love to see the ducks swimming about. Brilliant. So I am in a Victorian kitchen. Now, the lady I just spoke to says that these buildings have been around since the 1340s. That is amazing. So they're the little things that they used to use back then, old Victorian times: water jug, lampstand, the little dishes, clay equipment. And this must be the sink area and a massive pot. So it says Tudor kitchen, 1500s. So the place has seen renovations over the years, but this section, the Tudor kitchen, was built in the 1500s. It says we can see an eel being prepared for dinner. Eel and other freshwater fish were popular foods and may have been kept in the hall's moat. So where we came across the bridge, that water area moat used to encircle the entire building, but now it's not like that anymore. We've seen the pond. So the poor people used to have vegetables and bread, but the rich used to have meat, fruit, expensive white bread called manchet, if I say that right. Look at this barrel. That's massive. But I think that used to keep water, I think. Yeah, so Tudor frying pan. That's big. Tudor. Look at the fireplace. That is interesting, isn't it? Because in the Caribbean, you would have something, we'll have a makeshift of this, but the concept is the same. You got the Tudor pot and the coal. That's very interesting. Look, the table is laid out, and this would be a rich Tudor setting. There's the eel that they will used to have, and shellfish, oysters, etc. There's another setup. So they've got the mortar board as well. Yeah. And the mug. Imagine drinking beers in that. Yeah, it's interesting. I've never been in here, but on my quest to learn different things, I'm going around, and it's educational. So that's overview of the Tudor kitchen. Look at the little lights. Where is it? Yeah, don't know if you can see it well, but that's what the light used to be like. Actually, it would be candles, like here, candles. Yeah. So we've got, this is a hall, the medieval hall. So see, we've got the medieval hall. So this was more the most important part of the house, where the whole household, including servants, dined and undertook daily business. So this would be where they would have all the main activities of the day. So we've got arches. So you got, they didn't have settees like what we have. They've got little benches that people sit at. And the curtain is there. Look at this table. I like the wood. Mahogany, I would believe it is. These wood last for years, 1300s. Wow. And we're going down here. Gonna learn what this section is all about. So we got the north solar. So by the 1500s, it was fashionable for houses like the South Church Hall to have smaller, more private rooms like this for their family house. So this is the dining area. They'll sit and have a meal. Oh, look at the timber in the ceiling. Timber. It's all rough. It's not smooth. Rustic, that's the word I'm looking for. Rustic appearance. Look at the carvings of the sideboard. There is, it says, "My house will serve the Lord." It's in those old time English, because serve doesn't have an E, and house is H-O-V-S-E. So the English language and the spelling have changed over the years. Yeah, so rustic ceilings. What else is over there? That's the heater. Yeah, very interesting the way it is laid out. Solar room. Got a seating area as well. And what is this? The South Solar. Oh, this must be Elizabethan parlor room, where the family of the house might relax and play music or games like chess and backgammon. Right, so this is the Music room. Oh, they must have fun here. Lots of fun. There's a ukulele. There's other instruments on that side. And similar setup, the rustic timbers in the roof, floorboarding. The board is floor, and we've got a game. I don't know what game that is, but that's what they used to play back then in the 15th to 16th century. Right, let's go back. So we're gonna look on the bedrooms upstairs. So that's what I was talking about. The window is very thin, so they've put plastic over it to preserve it. So that's the bedroom. So the view from upstairs. So the Victorian bedroom. Wow. Have a look, guys. Victorian bedroom. There is the chamber pot. Okay, the wash area, the wash area thing. And look at the lamp. I used to have those back in Jamaica. The Victorian bedroom, guys. The closet, the beds have a little canopy, and the fireplace. This is awesome. Look at the chest for putting clothes, or I don't know, linen or whatever. But I like the way it's set up. Imagine living back in those times. We've come a long, long way. So let's read some information. So the Victorian bedroom, Saltchurch Hall was a home right up until the 1920s. This room might have been used as a bedroom for the Kilworths, the late Victorian family who lived here. Edward and Mary Kilworth's photographs can be seen over the fireplace. And another photograph of Mary is on the dressing table. Okay. On the bedroom is a ceramic bed warmer, and next to the bed on the floor is a chamber pot to save going to an outside toilet on a cold night. Oh dear. The washstand to the right of the entrance has a matching jug and bowl for washing in the morning. Yeah, so here's another look on the bedroom in the Victorian times. Yes. Yeah. And look at the curtains. Tapestry. Embroidered. It's embroidered. So my vlogs is about nature, but this is a part of nature. How has homes changed? Look at the things that were used, the wood and from trees. Yeah, people use trees to, make furniture for their homes. So this is amazing. Okay, let's go. So this is a shop area. So some former owners and residents. This is how it looks. Medieval moat manor. So that's what it looks like back then, with the water going all around the building. Wow. So archaeological finds from South Church Hall. The moat. No, moat. The moat had all these leather, shoe sole, bone chest piece, iron scissors. Oh, there's the iron scissors. The water pot. Look, the horseshoe as well. So these are some things. I like that spoon. I like the design of it. So it was made in London, 1554. So these are all historical things. Look at the keys. Oh my God, that key is massive. Iron keys, 19th century. Look. Wow. So this concludes our tour for today. So we've seen the moat, we've seen the animals, we've seen the Tudor building, and that's like an overview of what the building looks like. So please like, share and subscribe for our video. Bye bye.